Hi YouTube and welcome to another video. Thank you for joining me today. Today I just came to show you what I've made all week. I have another vendor event tomorrow. It's a free event, so I'm supposed to go, but I'll just have to see in the morning if I'll have help, because tomorrow I have ministry in the morning early until 10 o'clock, and then the event is supposed to be from 1 to 7. Um, so it's in another town. So me and my husband said he's going to go and help me. So I'll see how he feels in the morning, because he hasn't been feeling well the last couple of days. So if he feels up to it, we'll go, and if not, we won't, and I won't worry about it. So I just wanted to show you what I made. At my last vendor event at the Banana Festival, I did sell 4 big loaf cats and like 3 or 4 little loaf cats. So I replenished my loaf cats, and then I finished a rose turtle that I already had started before the event. So now I have, I think, 5 rose turtles, and then I made a I think it's a frog. It's supposed to be a frog. It don't kind of look like a frog to me, but it's supposed to be a frog, so we'll see. But anyway, here is my first loaf cat, and I finished the cricket eyes. And this is Caesar Easy Weed, just some black felt from, I think, Hobby Lobby. I had some of that black sparkle felt I think I got from Joann's, but it is too soft, and even when I put backing on it, it doesn't work. So, but here's my first loaf cat, and this is some Burnett blanket yarn. I don't even know the name of it. So I have this one, and then I think I did a little one in that one. Maybe I didn't. I guess I didn't. And then this was that yarn that I had got from Hobby Lobby that I said I was going to make something with and come back and show you guys. I hate it. It's okay to work with crochet wise, but what I hate about it, it looks dirty, dingy when you use it. You might not look like that on the camera, but in person, like like right up in here, it's dirty, dingy looking, and I don't really like that. And my hands were not dirty when I crocheted with it, and I just noticed that some yarns are like that. They have that dirty, dingy look when you finish. And I think I messed up on the ears. This is a Zach Loaf cat, and I messed up on the ears. I didn't do the extra double crochet. I just did 1 double crochet, so it kind of looks like a mouse or something to me, but hey, it is what it is. But this was all the yarn was variegated in 1 ball of yarn. And then I also have this loaf cat, and this was some vinyl from Hobby Lobby, and it was like a rose colored flowery looking vinyl that I used. And then this was a nose that I got from Amazon a long time ago. I haven't really been using any of that stuff, but I'm trying to start to use up some of it. So this is a Zach Loaf cat. All my little loaf cats are Zach Crochet. So if you put in Zach Crochet, you'll find his little loaf cat, and I really, really love this pattern. And then here is another little Zach. Oh, let me see. Here's another Zach. Zach cat crochet. And usually, sometimes I'll use different. This is a Burnett blanket too. All my plush yarn mostly is Burnett blanket. But sometimes I'll use a bigger hook. Sometimes I'll use a smaller hook. I like to use like a 6 or a 6.5. So there you go. Sometimes they turn out bigger than the other ones. And then this one turned out really little. I'm not sure what the deal was with this one. But this is a different yarn. This is Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure what the name of the yarn is, but I got it a couple of years ago at the Hobby Lobby clearance sale when I first started buying plush yarn to make amigurumi. So I have that one. And then I do have this little Zach cat as well. And so, yeah, so I replenished my little cats. Here is my frog. I don't know. I put the bobbles in the right places, but it's kind of weird to me. But it was a no-sew frog pattern that I followed the tutorial, and I forgot the name of the tutorial. My book's over there. So, um, yeah. So this is a frog, and I put the safety eyes on it. And then here is my uh, rose turtle, and once again Burnett blanket yarn. This is a Burnett sparkle. This turtle, he sparkles, if you can see the sparkle in him. Yeah, I really like this rose pattern, but I need to stop making them until I sell some of them. And then I found this in my old eyes, for the eyes, so I put those little eyes on the turtle. But yeah, this is and I don't think I put the legs together right, but oh well. But yeah, this is my other rose turtle. And then I have, and these big cats are all Annie Caraway. And then this is one of the big cats that I did to replace my other Loaf cat. So soft, and this is a Burnett blanket too. I know this is vintage white, that's all I know. And then, but then this one is a Burnett blanket as well, and this one is super, super soft. And then I did another one, and this one I used a bigger hook, because it's the same pattern and everything, but if you could tell, they're a little bit, this one's a little bit bigger than this one, but it's the same pattern. I think I used an 8mm with this, and either a 6 or a 6.5 with this one. So this one was a 8. I can't find my 7mm hook, but I'll have to find it. And then here's another one. I really like this one. And I put some pink eyes, but I think I put him eyes on wrong, but it's okay. And then him tail is a little crooked. So him is a little crooked tail and crooked eyes. And but yeah, he's so soft and he's thick. He's very squishy, but I really love this pattern. It's very pink and posy and beautiful. And then my last little Loafy cat, I made an all white Loafy cat. I sure did. So this is again Annie Caraway's pattern, and I put some crooked eyes on him too. And he's the last of my makes for today. I just wanted to come and show you everything that I have made. So I don't know if I'm going to take all this to the market with me tomorrow. I probably won't. This one I want to put in, I want to put it in something because I don't want people touching it. It's pure white. And this is that big twist white yarn that I was working with that I showed you guys in a previous video. I think I did the butterfly wings with it. And that's what I did with this white. But then it was sitting there, and then I was like, I want to make an all-white cat. And so, yeah, I made an all-white cat. So I'm hoping that he will find his forever home, but I think I'm going to put him in a baggie. And so people won't touch him with their dirty hands or whatever. So that's all I have for you today. I hope you've been enjoying the word of the Lord. There will be more word of the Lord to come. Until I finish through the whole book of Proverbs. And then after the book of Proverbs, I do have another book without it. It doesn't have 31 chapters. I think it has like maybe 10 or 11 chapters, but that is the next one that I want to read. So once we get through Proverbs, we will go on to read the next word of the Lord. So thank you for joining me. God bless you. You have an awesome and an amazing day. Be blessed, my friends. Bye.